One of the most fascinating ideas ever proposed is called the ion beam shepherd. Instead of grabbing debris with a net or a harpoon, a spacecraft would use a powerful ion engine to push objects away. Ion engines work by accelerating charged particles to extremely high speeds. These particles create a gentle but continuous thrust. In the ion beam shepherd concept, the spacecraft would point this beam directly at a piece of debris. The beam would not destroy the object. Instead, it would apply a small but steady force, slowly changing its orbit. Over time, the debris would move into a lower orbit where Earth's atmosphere would naturally pull it down and burn it up. Another idea involves lasers. Some scientists have proposed building powerful ground-based lasers that could target small pieces of debris in orbit. When a laser pulse hits the surface of a fragment, it slightly hits the material. A tiny amount of vaporized material shoots off the surface, creating a small push in the opposite direction. That tiny push can change the orbit of the debris just enough to send it falling back towards Earth. In other words, the laser doesn't destroy the object, it just nudges it in the right direction. But even lasers and ion beams might not be enough to deal with the biggest objects. Old satellites and rocket stages can weigh several tons. Moving something that large requires a much more powerful system. And that brings us to one of the most dramatic ideas ever suggested, a solution so powerful that almost sounds like science fiction. For decades, scientists have explored the possibility of using directed energy systems to manage space debris. Some of these systems were originally developed for military purposes. The idea was to defend satellites or intercept incoming missiles. The same technology could potentially be used for something very different: cleaning space.